What's up, guys? We're at Sea-Dog's place in the lovely shed. We got the pleasure of working together with DeWalt this year for our backyard battle. What do you think, Sea-Dog?
Yeah, it's amazing to have a tool sponsor because we have to build a lot of stuff with wood, and yeah, you just need the right machinery, and with the right machinery you get the good stuff.
Exactly, we got the pleasure of working together with DeWalt, so yeah, good things to come. Make sure to check it out. Let the fun times begin.
Right now we are at my office and we are planning the wood constructions we're doing this year at our backyard battle, which will be a trail shed and also a rolling tower. Yeah, we're planning that out so we can be efficient when we hammer it together.
For now, we only use the 1010s over here for the framing. And later we'll use these bad boys for the outside of the walls. Yeah, it's the plan, but till we get there, it'll take a while. So let's get to it.
So at the moment we're measuring all the beams to build the perfect shed for the spot where we can put all the DeWalt tools and that everything is clean and dialed. So that's the task for now. Let's go.
Now we're on the lovely sides. This is the back wall, the first side, and now we're going to copy this again. So I have the two sides, the back wall, and then the most complicated part will come the front with the door and the window and all that, but that's when the brains are coming back. Yo, so now we start doing the complicated parts. So all walls are technically now laid out. We're not screwed together yet. We're now cutting the last couple of diagonal pieces of board for the front wall where the door and window will be, and then we'll start putting screwing or nailing, depending. We haven't decided yet. Everything together. And then the idea is putting everything on the trailer tomorrow, and tomorrow at the spot, once we have the excavator sorted, dig out the hole and start putting all the walls together, and then we'll have a prime little shack at the spot. We're really looking forward to it. This has been an idea that's been long in the making, and now we finally pulled the trigger on it. Thanks to DeWalt supporting us with the tools.
So now we will continue screwing together the other sides, then putting everything over to the spot and then assembling everything at the side, and basically the shed is going to be done today or tonight.
Here we got the planer that I'm gonna use to plane some wood that is kind of like twisted and like an edge is sticking out of the surface where we wanna mount some timber. So I'm gonna use this and plane the wood off. All right, so the frames are finished now, and I'm gonna nail some planks on the walls. So we close them, and it's gonna look nice.
So we currently just basically finish out the second wall of the shed. It's going really well. I think today's work was solid, and probably tomorrow we'll be finished with everything. So yeah, successful day. Thanks to the epic tools that we can use.
Light's getting bad. We pretty much finished everything up, all the sides have sidings on them, everything's set. Now only thing that's left is put them on the trailer, and tomorrow when the excavator is ready to go, bring all the pieces over the spot, set everything up, put everything together. So overall I'd say it's a very successful day. Long day too, but stoked to be back working. Thanks to Dewald again. Shit's looking great, and yeah, peace out for now, and tune in back tomorrow. Take care.
All right, so it's day number 2 now of the Backyard Battle build. We got the wood walls pretty much done. We're just putting some small details, the doors in, the window hinges in, and in about 1 hour, my freshly rebuilt excavator is done as well. So we can transport that to the spots and then transport the wood house and let the big build begin. We got all the walls now done for our trail shed. It's ready to be loaded to the trailer, and we actually gonna start a little new project, which is making some nice roofing for our water trailer and have it fully enclosed and make it look nice and pimp. So yeah, that's the next thing.
So Sea-Dog just got the news that his excavator is ready, so we pretty much dropped everything we're doing here. We're gonna go over, get some diesel, go drive over with the pickup and the trailer to his buddy's Huby's place, and grab the excavator and head to the spot, unload there, and then yeah, I don't know, Sea-Dog's stoked, so I don't know what's happening, but yeah, let's get the excavator and we'll see what gets done.
Yeah, we've now loaded the machine to the trailer, freshly painted and perfectly rebuilt tilt rotor But my good friend used to be a mechanic, Thomas Huby, and yeah, it's all nice and tight and snug. I can't wait to get working and shaping with the freshly done tilt roller.
So as we're on the way to pick up Sea Dog's excavator, we happen to see Sea Dog's dad and uncle having a lovely beer on the porch with a lovely view. So we couldn't resist, especially since we have a lovely friend from South Africa visiting us. We had to have a little beer with a lovely view, and now half an hour or so later we are on our way to the spot with a heavy load in the back, and yeah, heading to the spot.
Up.
We brought the excavator to the spot, showed the thing around the spot. Now we're back home, just taking it easy, clean up the tools. We're about to spark up a little fire for a little braai, enjoy a little beer, and take it easy for the rest of the evening. My mouth is on fire. I actually put chili on my fingers to spread it all over the food and then decide to put it in my mouth now.